Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video I am going to show how to find the value of x where 4 to the power x plus x is equal to 18. X is equal to what? Or taking this positive x to right side we will get 4 to the power x is equal to 18 minus x, or now exchanging side 18 minus x to left side and 4x to right side, we can write here 18 minus x is equal to 4 to the power x. Or if we divided both sides by 4 to the power x, we can write here 18 minus x over 4 to the power x is equal to 4 to the power x over 4 to the power x. Or if we apply this formula, 1 over a to the power m is equal to a to the power negative m, we can write here 18 minus x times 4 to the power negative x is equal to, here this 4 to the power x cancel out this 4 to the power x, so we will get 1. Or the coefficient is 18 minus x and the exponent is negative x, so multiplying both sides by 4 to the power 18, we can write here 18 minus x times 4 to the power negative x times 4 to the power 18 is equal to 1 times 4 to the power 18. Or 18 minus x times 4 to the power, here we will get 18 minus x is equal to 1 times 4 to the power 18, that means 4 to the power 18. Or now if we apply this formula, e to the power ln of a is equal to a, so putting value a is equal to 4, we can write here e to the power ln of 4 is equal to 4. So this 4 can be written as e to the power ln of 4. Okay, now we can write here 18 minus x times this 4 can be written as e to the power ln of 4 times 18 minus x is equal to 4 to the power 18. Or now the coefficient is 18 minus x and the exponent is ln of 4 times 18 minus x, so multiplying both sides by ln of 4, we can write here ln of 4 times 18 minus x times e to the power ln of 4 times 18 minus x is equal to ln of 4 times 4 to the power 18. Or we know that the Lambert W function w of a times e to the power a is equal to a. So now taking Lambert W function on both sides, we can write here w of 18 minus x times ln of 4 times e to the power 18 minus x times ln of 4 is equal to w of 4 to the power 18 times ln of 4, or now apply this formula, we will get 18 minus x times ln of 4 is equal to w of, now this 4 to the power 18 can be written as 4 square times ln of 4 times 4 to the power 16, or 18 minus x times ln of 4 is equal to w of 4 square, that means 16 times ln of 4 times this 4 can be written as e to the power ln of 4. So we can write here e to the power ln of 4 times 16, or 18 minus x times ln of 4 is equal to, here according to Lambert W function we will get 16 times ln of 4. Now this ln of 4 cancel out this ln of 4, so we can write here 18 minus x is equal to 16, or now taking this negative x to right side and this positive 16 to left side, we can write here 80 minus 16 is equal to x, or 18 minus 16 is 2, so 2 is equal to x. Now changing side we will get the value of x is equal to 2. Now check our questions have given 4 to the power x plus x is equal to 18. 4 to the power x plus x is equal to 18. Here x is equal to 2, so we can write here 4 to the power 2 plus 2, it is equal to 18, or we know that 4 square, that means 4 times 4, that means 16 plus 2, it is equal to 18. So 18 is equal to 18, so right hand side is equal to left hand side, so we can write the value of x is equal to 2. This is the root of this equation. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, please subscribe to my channel and see you in the next video. Bye bye.